This will be another elevator at the Courtyard Hotel by Williams Center here in Tucson. This is another US elevator. Has the exact same cab view as the other elevator. Very identical. One. Wow, that was a bumpy start. Let's go to 3. This elevator has classic leveling. We're going to get off at 2. I would say this is like the US version of an Otis Lexan. These are pretty rare to find. Let's get off here. Got the ThyssenKrupp button and then a US button. Just like an Otis Lexan, but the US version of it. And that's it. Open the doors again.